रेल एक्सीडेंट्स इन इंडिया। क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं हम? करंट न्यूज इज collision of Kanchenjunga Express in West Bengal at Rangapani in West Bengal. अब इस कोलिजन का रीजन क्या दिया गया है? इट इज द सेम रीजन दैट वाज गिवन फॉर द लास्ट ईयर कोलिजन दैट टुक प्लेस नियर ओडिशा, एंड द रीजन इज human error. What is human error? Here they have said, or they have mentioned, that the goods train which came from behind and rammed into a standing Kanchenjunga Express has not followed the safety standards. So when it was crossing a red light, the speed when it was crossing a railway signal, the speed was supposed to be 15 km/h, but it was going beyond that speed, and because of which it was not able to stop, or because of which this accident has taken place. So it's a negligence by a human driving that goods train. So यहाँ पे same reason दिया गया है. So what are the reasons why these rail accidents take place? Right, so the major reason that these kind of rail accidents take place where people are losing life in India, or majority of the, like if you talk about the major rail accidents that are taking place in our country, these are because of derailment. Right, चलती हुई रेल पटरी से उतर जाती है, right, because of maybe any manufacturing defect, maybe because of wear and tear, maybe because of a broken rail line, maybe because of vandalism, maybe because of some illegal activity happening over the rail line and that impacting it. कुछ भी reason हो सकता है, but the 70% of the rail accident or major rail accidents that are happening in India, the reason is derailment. Right, so reasons behind rail accidents. First is derailment. 70% of train crashes in India, reason for of train crashes in India. सेकेंड रीजन जो दिया जाता है, दैट इज ह्यूमन एरर. ह्यूमन एरर, राइट, because of the conditions that are provided to the drivers of these trains or the staff of these trains. Again, if you have seen a train, you have seen their locomotives, right, they are generally open, they are not air conditioned, and there are long hours that a single driver is running, right, sometimes 10 hours, 12 hours, their single driver is taking a train from one place to another. So which becomes, which creates fatigue, tiredness, and sometimes they basically do not follow the standard safety protocols, right. So human error due to fatigue, negligence, due to fatigue, negligence and disregard to safety protocols. अब यहाँ पे सिर्फ ड्राइवर या ट्रेन चलाने वालों की बात नहीं हो रही है, जो इन ट्रेन्स को मेंटेन कर रहे हैं, जो इन ट्रैक्स को मेंटेन कर रहे हैं. समटाइम्स दे आल्सो डू नेग्लिजेंस, दे डू नॉट बेसिकली चेक द ट्रेन्स प्रॉपरली कि कहीं पे कोई चीज लूज तो नहीं है, कहीं पे कोई क्रैक तो नहीं है. दे डू नॉट चेक द रेलवे ट्रैक्स प्रॉपरली, एंड इट इज नॉट feasible or possible to check continuously that 1 lakh kilometers of rail track that we have, right. So इस तरीके की प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं. इसी में कई बार क्या होता है, ह्यूमन एरर के साथ देयर इज combination of human error plus technological error. Sometimes there are brake failures, sometimes there are signal failures, right? Like या फिर प्रॉपर सिग्नलिंग ना कर पाना, टाइम से ना कर पाना. सो दे बेसिकली कंबाइन टुगेदर and it creates one of the biggest reason after derailment. Human error and technological errors are the other major reason which leads to these accidents happening in India. Then there are infrastructural defects. So lack of maintenance, proper maintenance नहीं हो रही है, right? There is aging. These rail lines, some of these rail lines are more than 100 years old, right? So there is aging. Then due to certain natural disasters, we have seen bridges collapsing, we have seen rail lines getting destroyed due to flood and all, and in between people are not able, or people are not aware, or the ground staff is not aware when a rail is passing and there might be a rainfall, or there might be a any other natural disaster because of which there is a problem that has come in the track, right? So इस वजह से भी होते हैं. So right, this is due to poor maintenance, aging, and natural disaster, right? जिसकी वजह से इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल डिफेक्ट्स आते हैं, एंड उन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल डिफेक्ट्स की वजह से क्या होता है, देयर आर रेल एक्सीडेंट्स दैट टेक प्लेस. देन हमारी जो रेलवेज हैं उसमें देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम दैट बोथ द गुड्स ट्रेन एंड द पैसेंजर ट्रेन्स आर यूजिंग द सेम रेल नेटवर्क, राइट? बिकॉज ऑफ विच देयर इज ओवर क्राउडिंग एंड कंजेशन, राइट? ओवर क्राउडिंग एंड कंजेशन की वजह से क्या होता है, देयर इज वेरी लेस टाइम फॉर मेंटेनेंस, देयर इज very difficult or challenging for people to manage both kind of trains, because a large number of trains are passing from the same route and they have to manage which if a single train delays then all other trains will be delayed, right? So उसी को और delay कराना है, क्या करना है, so managing is very challenging because of overcrowding and congestion. Overcrowding and congestion of rail lines. Right, so these are some of the major reasons why train accidents take place in India, right? First is derailment. Derailment may be due to infrastructural defect, may be due to human error कि proper line switch नहीं की गई, change नहीं की गई, signaling proper नहीं की गई, speed decrease नहीं करी गई, right? It can be human error, technological error, right? So these are the certain reasons. Then there is overcrowding and overloading of the trains, which also becomes one of the reasons. Now there are certain steps that the government has taken to deal with it. इसी स्टेप्स के अंदर मैं आपको एक सिस्टम भी पढ़ाने वाला हूं, दैट इज कवच सिस्टम, विच is basically being implemented, in which it is being said that the probability of error in the Kavach system is 1 in 10,000 years, right? So it is going to be so accurate. It is a automatic anti-collision system that we have developed, जहाँ पे क्या होगा, if trains are basically having Kavach system and the tracks are having the Kavach system, it's a three-way system, right? It will, like, few equipments will be in the train, few equipments will be on the track, and there will be a relay station or there will be a substation where it will be all managed राइट. इसके अंदर क्या होगा, ऑटोमेटिक सिस्टम होगा जहां पे ट्रेन्स विल नॉट कोलाइड, दे विल टेक ब्रेकिंग. इफ somebody is over speeding, not able to take a break, there will be automatic braking under this system. So this is very reliable and one of the most advanced system that we have. राइट. जैसे आपने कार्स के अंदर ADAS सिस्टम सुना है, राइट. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट दिस ADAS systems in the car that are coming, right? Advanced driving assistance systems. Similarly, it is the ADAS for railways, right? जहाँ पे आपका अगर ह्यूमन एरर हो रहा है तो उस ह्यूमन एरर को बेसिकली टेक्नोलॉजी की मदद से इट कैन बी नलिफाइड, right? Then there will be other certain use of technology with the help of which there can be better maintenance. उसके लेकिन still it is not there. It is very limited. Till now only 1500 kilometers have been covered under the Kavach system and few trains have been covered under the Kavach system. Why it is not happening? We will see this. What are the challenges? What is this Kavach system? But before this, there are certain other measures that the government or the Indian Railway has taken to basically ensure safety and security of the goods and the passengers both. So what are those measures? Let's try to discuss those.